A very good evening to you. This is your Financial Week. I'm Dwayne Burbick. The Bank of Jamaica has stepped up its intervention in the foreign exchange market in a bid to keep the dollar stable, but the U.S. currency was still selling at an all-time high at the close of trading for a third straight day. Today, the central bank sold $20 million into the market, bringing its total outlay for the month so far to $130 million US. That has, however, not stopped the US dollar from closing at a new record high price of $130.13. As for the Canadian dollar, it is selling for $95.51. The pound sterling costs $167.58, while the euro sells for $142.56. Jamaicans gambled a record sum in the first quarter of this year, spending more than $13 billion with Supreme Ventures. The spending helped the company to also generate record profit for the period. The gaming company said its profit in that quarter was $416 million, a 51% increase over the returns for last year. More company news, this time now Grace Kennedy, which recorded a decline in profit during the January to March quarter. Net profit for the 3 months totaled $1.1 billion, representing a $452 million decrease when compared to the corresponding period last year. And over at Carb Cement, that entity is reporting profit of $528 million in the January to March quarter. The profit was down from close to $1 billion in the same period a year ago. 138 Student Living is reporting profit of $27 million for the 6 months to the end of March. That's a turnaround from a loss of $26 million a year ago. 138 Student Living, which provides student accommodation at the University of the West Indies, Mona, however, said the return was not optimum because it did not have bookings for all its rooms. Jamaican Tea says its profit grew 38% in the 6 months October to March. The company reported profit of $112 million in that period. Jamaican Teas indicated that its profit will continue to grow in the near future, with its products being placed in a major supermarket in the United States, which has over 400 stores. And trading on the Jamaica Stock Exchange ended the day with the main JC Market Index up more than 771 points, while the Junior Market Index lost 26 points. The winners of the day included Berger Paints, Carb Cement, General Accident, Jamaica Brawlers, Jamaica Stock Exchange, Knutsford Express, Main Event Entertainment, the Sagicor Group, and T-Tech. On the losing end were Access Financial, CAC 2000, Grace Kennedy, Jamaican Teas, the Cayley Group, the NCB Financial Group, and Supreme Ventures. And that's your Financial Week. I'm Dwayne Burbick. Do have a great weekend.